Hello everyone. Okay, today we are having this special quadratic equation before us. And if you're not careful, you want to attempt to use it, maybe your almighty formula or by completing the square. Or you might even want to attempt to by factorization. But either any of those three methods of solving quadratic equation will not work here. Yeah. And you wonder why I say so? Because you are asked to find the sum and the product. Have you heard that before? The sum and the product of the root of this. Of the root of this. There is a particular way or pattern or formula that we can apply. And I will say by saying solution. First, rewrite this equation to represent a quadratic equation that is equal to 0. That is to say, 3x squared minus 7x minus 6 equals 0. First of all, it's in the perfect state now. Here we can begin to solve our equation by looking for the sum and the product, you see. And to solve for the product, there is a formula that says plus beta equal to minus b over a. You see this? This is what we use. This is what we use. And for the product, this is for the sum. The product alpha times beta becomes c over a. So you must note this. So if we must do this, first of all, if you remember how to solve for quadratic using the almighty formula, we know there is a term called a and b and c. So from this equation, the coefficient of s squared is usually our a, and in this case, coefficient of s squared is 3. So our a becomes 3. And the coefficient of x is minus 7. It is not 7. It's minus 7. If you write 7, if you use it as 7, everything will be wrong. So it's minus 7. And the constant coefficient of which is c is minus 6. You see? So when you have a, b, c, you are done. You just plug them in and get your answer. So if you want to sum for the sum is alpha plus beta, which is equals to minus b over a becomes, what is b? B is minus 7. Minus 7 over a. What is a? 3. You see this? Minus 7 over 3. You have to be careful with this negative. The negative is in the formula, which is this one, and this negative here comes with the b. The b is minus 7. You must be very attentive to that. You see that? And I must teach you something before we go forward. Let's say positive times positive will be what? Will be positive. Negative times negative is equals to positive. Negative times positive, this is positive. Negative times negative positive. Negative times positive is negative. Positive times negative is also negative. So if you understand this analogy, it will be easy for you here because we are going to use it here. This is negative. This times negative, it becomes positive. That is why I can boldly say this is 7 over 3. So we can leave it at this, or we can say 3 into 7, we have 2 to be left with 1 over 3. 2 whole number 1 over 3 for the sum. You see, simple. And now that you know the sum, we can actually get the product also by also plugging in your value for c and a. C is minus 6 and the a is 3. So if we do this, 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 6, 2. Don't forget this negative also. So the product becomes minus 2, which is our final answer. Which is our final answer. I know many persons have not seen this kind of question before, but it's very paramount, very common with JAMs, aptitude tests, and foreign questions, foreign exams, professional exams. So if you gain some values, please Don't hesitate to hit the subscription button. You can even share by liking it. If you like it, more persons will get access to it, and make comments. If you have any question that's related, any mathematical question at all, put it in the comment section. And if you can even give me a thumb up, tell me well done in the comment section. At least we'll bring it this to your notice. Thank you.